Hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to build a powerful dashboard in Salesforce Lightning Experience. Dashboards are your window into your organization's data. They help you visualize trends, track performance, and make smarter decisions. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a dashboard that's not only functional, but also visually engaging. To get started, navigate to the app launcher in the top left corner of Salesforce. Click it, and from the menu, select Dashboards. Once there, hit the New Dashboard button. This will open a fresh canvas where your dashboard journey begins. The first step is naming your dashboard. Make it clear and descriptive so anyone in your organization instantly understands its purpose. You can also add a short description for extra context. This is especially helpful if you plan to share it with colleagues. Next, choose where to save it. By default, dashboards are stored privately, but you can select a different folder if you want broader access across your team. Now comes the fun part, bringing in your data. Click the plus widget button. Each widget is powered by a report, so choose a report that reflects the key metrics you want to track. Think carefully about what data matters most to your goals, because this will form the backbone of your dashboard. Once your data source is selected, decide how to present it. Salesforce lets you display data as charts, tables, or other visual formats. Take a moment to customize your widget so it clearly communicates the insights you want to highlight. After you're happy with it, click and Add to place it on your dashboard. You can then drag and drop widgets, adjusting their sizes to create a clean, organized layout that's easy to read at a glance. For advanced functionality, consider adding filters. Filters allow users to interact with your dashboard and customize the data view according to their needs. Finally, don't forget to save your dashboard. This preserves all your work and ensures your insights are always ready at your fingertips. And there you have it, a fully functional Salesforce Lightning dashboard that transforms raw data into actionable insights. Keep experimenting with different layouts, widgets, and filters to create dashboards that not only inform but inspire action across your organization.